This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hi, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up this 2-car garage with baseboards. We're in Wesley Chapel. We just finished putting on the polyaspartic top coat. So here's what the baseboard looks like. Followed the course of blocks down to the end of the garage. Here's some details around the fixtures. So this was a full diamond grinding. We removed the cured steel top coat that the builder leaves on there. We got back down to bare aggregate, which is the way it should be for a good epoxy application. That allows the epoxy to actually cure into the concrete. So we did sand and fill the control joints, and that's how we get this seamless surface, which is something that we do that's part of our process. I just feel it gives a much nicer looking floor. Now this floor was in very good shape except for the lead-in edge. It was very, very rough when we got here. But we did square it up and round it over, which is normal in our process. We have to do that on every garage. This one was particularly bad. It was also very tall. As you'll see, it's still tall, but we did drop it about 1/4 inch. So you can see how nice that looks now. And again, you can see it's relatively tall. But there's only so far we could take it down. This color is California Gray. Very popular choice. We're getting out of here at the right time because the weather's about to change. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.